Welcome to our guide on how to view system notifications on Instagram using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com, your hub for sharing moments and connecting with others. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the Instagram interface. Click on your profile photo to access your profile settings. Moving on, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and locate the gear icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu, select Notifications to delve into the notification settings of your Instagram account. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and stay updated with system notifications on Instagram while using your PC. Enhance your Instagram experience by customizing your notification preferences. Stay tuned for more Instagram tips and tricks to elevate your social media game. Let's dive into the world of Instagram notifications on PC. Thank you for watching.